Boys, I would like to do one more example for you in order to revise what we have watched. So I'm going to find this equation of straight line with the red one. So I know 1 point. And then the equation, you know that this straight line is parallel to this. So according to what we have learned, at least we have to find a point so we know that, right? It passes through 10, 2. So at least I can write down like this. Then either I find a slope of of this straight line, or I find another point. If I can find another point, then I don't need this one. But sure, we don't know this point, so for parallel we have to think about, oh, then maybe we use slope, because when two parallel lines, they are parallel, that means their slope must be equal, right? I think it makes sense, because if parallel, then when whatever they goes up with the same slope, right? So we come up here. So if we know we have to find the slope here, and then we go back, how can we find the equation of straight line from this? What is the slope from this equation? Given that, I give you 5 seconds to think about it. So that means you are going to change subject, right? So I try to change subject. 3x minus 6y plus 10 equals to 0. That means 3x plus 10 equal to 6y. I divided both sides by 6. So therefore, y equals to 1/2 of x plus 5/3. After changing subject, then you know this straight line, the slope should be 1/2. And because you know this equation, the slope is 1/2, because they are parallel. So we find out that, oh, this red straight line passing through 10/2, and then we know about the slope. We use the method 1. Then we perform the same thing. We divide it by 2 on both sides, and then 1 times x minus 10. So we use general form, and then we put y on the right hand side. So negative 6 equal to 0. So this is the equation of straight line of this L2. Okay, I think it's not difficult. I hope that is good for you to understand the basic thing about finding the equation of straight line. Remember, straightforward, a point with slope or 2 points. That's all.